Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Isabela from Disney's Encanto. So let's get started. To draw cute Isabela, let's first start by drawing her face. So I'm going to come right here and basically draw the bottom of a U. Come nice and brown, come across. Let's say about right here. And do the same things. And I'll try to make it a little pointier towards the center. So say about right there. And then go right back up. There. So now we have her face in. Let's come to the sides and we're going to draw her eyes. So I'm going to come about right here and draw a circle. And same thing right across. About right here. And let's make them draw so cute eyes. So 2 small circles inside for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. And lines at the bottom. And let's draw some lashes to spruce them up. So right here on the sides, just add 2 lashes. So 2 curves. And then from there, let's give her a sweet smile. So about right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve and cap it off. There. Then from there, let's go ahead and draw her brow. So she has a really thick brow. So it's about to come about right here. And I'm going to give a slight angle and down. And let's thicken them up and across. And I'll just come in here and shade it all in black. And same thing right across. So about right here. Slight angle and then down. Thicken it up. There. Okay, so then now let's go ahead and finish her face. So just kind of imagine an oval. So say about right here, her hair kind of parts on the side. I'll give myself a point. From there, I'm going to come down with a curve that goes all the way and hits her brow area, her eye, and we're going to come right back to where we started. And I'll just bring this in and out. So on this side, we're just going to do the same thing, just round it off and finish it up. Finish up her face and connect. Then from there, where we started right here where her hair parts, let's go up with a curve and about right there I'll stop. And I'm going to go up on this side and down on this side. From there, let's bring this across and down. I'm going to get a little bit thinner as we come about right here and curve out. So on this side, if you're using a pencil, just go ahead and finish that curve. And I forgot. Let's draw her ear first. So I'm going to come about right here where her eyes are, sorry. And I'm just going to draw a curve. And before I finish that curve, I'm just going to draw in an earring. And let's add some details in this ear. And then now we can go ahead and finish her face. Her hair. So right here, if you're using a pencil, just finish up this curve. But I need to stop and draw this flower. So I was just imagining there's a curve right here. So about in this area, I'm going to pop out my flower. So I'll just kind of draw this little oval right here. And some petals coming out. And then finish it off. Right here and here for the flower. And then now, let's see here, let's bring this through. So about right here, it's going to come back out for her hair. From there, let's go ahead and draw her body before we finish the rest of her hair. So I'm going to come right here in the center and give her a little neck right here in the center. And we're going to bring this out and out. But before I finish her shoulders, I'm going to come right here and let's see here. Let's connect it with a curve first for her neckline. Here with another curve for some detail. And then she has this little top right here. So I'm going to come out, give it a little curve. Same thing over here, just a little curve. We're just still imagining her shoulders are right here. So just that's keep in mind. And then we're going to come down towards the center. So about right here, I'll just give myself a point. And I'm just going to wobble my way down towards the center. So same thing here, just wobble all the way down. Now just come in here with some lines for some detail right there. And then let's come back about right here. And I'm just going to add a slight angle line for her body. Right there. From there, I'm going to stop and come out. So I'm going to draw the first part of her dress. So there's 3 layers to this dress. So let's say about right there. I'm going to stop and just wobble my way down. And then go ahead and connect for the first layer. And then one more layer. We're going to keep coming down. And this one, this side is longer. So let's continue this. Come in a little bit. And say about right there. Now I'm going to wobble this way, across, and one more layer, and all the way down. So let's say about right. Bring it down, give it a little bit of flare to about right there. Now we're pretty even. I'm going to go ahead and connect it at the bottom with a curve. All the way across. So notice the center part is lower, it's just going back up. So then now that we have the basic dress in, the shape, let's come over here and draw her feet. So we're just going to see part of her foot. So I'll come about right here and just draw curve and then in. Just a little indication of her foot. Curve and in. So hopefully that looks like her foot's right there. And then let's come in here, some detail. Sometimes it's the simplest things are the hardest to draw. Okay, so then one more layer right here. And let's see here, now for her sleeves. So we're going to come down and right here where her armpit area is, I'm going to come in, imagining her shoulders, so down. And then about right there, I'm going to stop. And I need to draw some ruffles on her sleeves. So I'm going to come out, wobble across, one more layer, and wobble across. And then I'm just imagining this is still continuing her hand, and I'm going to come out. So let's continue this out. And I'm going to stop about right here where her hands, for her hands I mean. And so about right here, add a thumb. And some fingers. And add a little one in the back for some detail. So if you're using a pencil, definitely just draw her hand first and then add in the ruffle. That'd be a little bit easier. Okay, so same thing on the other side. Change up my angle a little bit. So same thing here. And here. Just make sure, cut it off. And then once again, the ruffles. And the hand. So just continuing. And just make sure my hands are about the same level. So say about right here. Add a little thumb. Continue that curve. Then out. And a little finger at the end. There, so delicate, right? So hopefully that wasn't too bad. I hope you draw that. some lines right here to make it look like it's roughly, and let's see here. And then let's finish her hair. So I'm just going to simplify this strand right here. Bring it out. One big strand, and then let's come back in. I'll finish it off with some zigzags towards the end, and then this side, just tuck it right in. There. And so she has some really gorgeous detail on her dress and for flowers. So I'm just going to show you really quickly here. We're just going to draw some flowers that are going this way, some here and here. And I'll just really lightly try to draw this really quickly. Some big, some small. So the Sharpie is definitely not something you want to draw with for this delicate flowers. But like I said, I just want to show you. So when you're coloring, you can just add these beautiful flowers all in this area. So some flowers going this way, and then some right here. And some here. So there, like I said, just fill in this area with some flowers when you're coloring. And I know I really did this really roughly, but hopefully you get the idea. And I almost forgot. I'm just going to add a heart right here. So they're all done. I really hope you love how Isabela here turned out from Disney's Encanto, and then I helped you draw her fun and easy. And if you love Encanto, definitely check out my drawing of Mirabel as well. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.